Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of a missing HID compliant pen driver on Windows 11 and Windows 10. This problem usually happens when Windows fails to detect your pen input device due to outdated drivers, disabled HID services, or system misconfigurations. But do not worry, there are simple ways to bring it back. Let's get started. Step 1. Check for optional driver updates. Open the Start menu, type Settings, and select the Settings app. Click Windows Update on the left sidebar, then on the right click Advanced Options. Under Additional Options, select Optional Updates. Choose Driver Updates. If any HID-related drivers are listed, install them. Also try unplugging and plugging in your pen, or using a different USB port. Step 2. Reinstall driver from Device Manager. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Click View, select Show Hidden Devices. Expand the section Human Interface Devices. Find any pen or HID-related device. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select a compatible HID device driver and install it. Repeat for other HID-related devices if needed. Once all steps are done, restart your computer. You have successfully learned how to fix the HID compliant pen driver missing issue on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hope this helps. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.